USS Monterey, deployed with the Eisenhower Carrier Strike Group, conducted a scheduled sustainment and logistics port visit in Karachi. During the port call, US Embassy Chargé came aboard and met the crew. On the occasion, Chargé stated, "The military-to-military ties between the United States and Pakistan are strong and enduring. Through staff exchanges and joint exercises, we are working together to protect the world's most important shipping lanes, combat piracy, and counter terrorism. Together, we can help ensure a more peaceful, stable, and prosperous South Asia." The Monterey's VBSS team also improved bilateral maritime security capabilities through a subject matter expert exchange with their Pakistani counterparts. Ship's commanding officer said, "Monterey's crew was excited for the opportunity to visit Pakistan. It's important that we continue to work together with regional and coalition partners and reinforce our mutual commitment to maritime security and stability." While in Fifth Fleet, the IKE CSG is operating and training alongside regional and coalition partners and providing naval aviation support to Operation Inherent Resolve. The Fifth Fleet area of operations includes the Arabian Gulf, Gulf of Oman, Red Sea, and parts of the Indian Ocean. The expense is comprised of 20 countries and includes 3 choke points critical to the free flow of commerce.